So in the last civil chat, somebody had asked the question about how do we get our custom messaging down here in our status bar. You can see where it says GEI, DWG status, text style, the LT scale, and dim scale. And I didn't really have a very good answer for it because this was all set up before I got to GEI. So I've done a little bit of research, and it's really quite simple on how to do this. It's just a system variable called mode macro. So if I type mode macro in CAD, it'll show you what the current value of mode macro is, and then you can change it to whatever you want. So for example, if I come in here and I put in Brian needs a raise, and this is in quotation marks, you'll see now down there in the status bar that it says Brian needs a raise. Okay, great. But how did we get all that cool stuff in there? Well, we have a Lisp routine that runs every time you launch a drawing that sets the mode macro to this text here. And these variables are diesel expressions. So you can see it's just text, GEI, DWG status, text style, and then you get this $, parentheses, get var, comma, text style, and parentheses, right? And so that is a diesel expression. And if you're just looking for system variables, use this particular text. If you want to put something else in, use another diesel expression. What are the available diesel expressions? Well, just go to Google and do a search for AutoCAD diesel expressions. It'll take, this first hit will take you to the knowledge base. You simply click on it, and it lists all sorts of different diesel expressions for you. And if we scroll down here a little bit, you'll see eventually we get to the G's, and here's that get var, and this is the code that we're using here at GEI to put those variables in our status tray. So I hope this helps out a bit, and have a great day.